Welcome back. You're still tuned into Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. Well, steady going for the markets. Couple of stocks from the broader markets from the metal sector. They are doing really well at the day's high. We have NMDC, Hindalco, Hind Copper, SAIL. All of them are at the day's high. Tata Steel reported really weak set of numbers. So of course, there has been reversal in prices, but these stocks, they are bucking the trend today and seeing highs of the day today. We also have Ashok Leyland's numbers which are flashing for you. 14,863 units in the month of October, which is a 34% increase on a YoY basis, and it is slightly lower than Nomura estimates, but still the stock is seeing cuts. It's actually at the day's low. It's down 2%. Numbers are largely in line, or so to say, mildly lower than what Nomura was estimating this time around. But in the broader markets, what's really doing well is the healthcare delivery stocks and hospital stocks. They are buzzing in trade. Ekta, what's happening here?
Well, a lot of these companies are still to report their numbers, so maybe there is some amount of optimism ahead of that. So I'll start with the entire diagnostic space. As you can see on your screen, Metropolis, Dr. Lal's, Vijaya Diagnostics, all of them are going to be reporting in the next couple of days, next week primarily. And the earnings expectation is that the year-on-year numbers will be impacted by a COVID-19 base. The street hence is going to be tracking the non-COVID-19 revenue, especially on a sequential basis, quite closely to understand whether the base business is picked up or not. So hence the competition on COVID-19 sales, the impact of the incremental competition that we've seen in the diagnostic space will be watched quite closely, and the subsequent impact on the margins will also then follow. Now, in terms of valuations, as you can see, there's a strong correction in terms of valuations for all of these stocks. Dr. Lal's is currently trading at around 50 times, at one time close to 80 times. Metropolis 35 times, close to 70 times at its one-year peak. Similar case for Thyrocare and Vijaya as well. Now, the second segment which is in focus from the healthcare delivery space is the hospital stocks. So, for example, hospital stocks have been buzzing. Max, Narayana are at fresh 52-week highs. Max, in fact, is going to be reporting its Q2 numbers today. Apollo will be reporting numbers on the 10th of November. And the other factor to watch is Medanta. Their over 2,000 crore IPO is going to be opening for subscription on the 3rd of November. So a lot of action within the entire hospital space in the next couple of days. Expectations from earnings. Hospitals are expected to grow in terms of revenue on account of the fact that electives are increasing, resulting in higher occupancies, higher average revenue per occupied bed, and increase in international patients on a Q-on-Q basis simply because it started picking up last quarter. So the momentum is probably expected to pick up this quarter. Watch for a performance from other verticals as well, such as digital, diagnostics and home healthcare. Valuation-wise, all of them are quite expensive. Apollo Hospital FY24 basis trading at over 20 times. And if you look at it, though, it's been a correction for a lot of these stocks from their 52-week high, especially for the likes of Apollo as well as Fortis.
All right, so that's the hospitals and